Hi, Jonathan York from Investment Research Group, looking at the investment markets ahead. In the end, no real surprise that Greece managed to obtain the bailout funds, and that has just given the markets a little bit of respite, a little bit of soothing to help sort of calm the troubled waters that we have been sailing through over the last sort of 3 to 4 months. Interesting, there was no real knee-jerk reaction to it. Equity markets sort of pretty much took it in its stride. I think most people viewed that they would come to a scenario where the funds would be approved, and now it's just a question of waiting to see how things develop going forward. Certainly earnings and data coming out of the economies are looking reasonably constructive, and I just hope that that can be translated into some mildly encouraging news going forward for equity markets. Domestically, we had telecoms first sort of reporting after the split last year to separate into telecom and chorus. Again, that was mildly encouraging, slightly better than expected, and the share price traded up on the back of that. Interesting to watch commodities out there. Oil again is starting to make a little bit of a move upwards. That obviously adds a little bit of inflationary pressure into the system. But overall, it's probably more to do with sort of political unrest out there in the Middle East rather than any sort of supply issues longer term. Still got quite a high New Zealand dollar out there, and it is a very good time to review that overseas portfolio. Some of these returns, given where the dollar is now, have become pretty attractive, and it is a good time to review that. So call us on 0800 867 323 to make an appointment to review that overseas share portfolio. In terms of new issues, pretty light on the ground out there. Obviously, most people are waiting now for the state asset sales towards the end of the year. And if you are interested in receiving information on that, call us on 0800 867 323. We can put you on the list to receive that information as soon as it starts coming to hand. Or you can go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. Disclose your statement, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.